Hi, my name is Arthur, and in today's Enterprise Android Pro Tips video, we're going to be talking about how to update the OS of your Zebra device. Let's get to it. So, what you want to do is first make sure your device is connected via ADB. So just do ADB devices, and if you see that it's connected by ADB, let's proceed. What you want to do is do ADB Reboot recovery, and your device should turn to a dark screen. You can choose over here whether to apply upgrade via ADB SD card USB drive or downgrade ADB SD card or USB drive. You can use your up and down volume button to choose. For this case, I am going to be using upgrade from ADB, and use your power button to select it. So I hit apply upgrade from ADB, and over there at the bottom you can see it says now put ADB Sideload and put your file in there. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. ADB Sideload, find out OS. Now this OS you have to get from Zebra itself. If you could not get an OS any other way, you have to contact Zebra to get it. So I'm just going to drag my OS into it and hit enter. And there we go. Now it's completed. All you gotta do is reboot your system. And there you have it. Successfully updating your OS. There you have it, how to update the OS of your Zebra device. If you've got any questions, feel free to put it in the comment sections down below. And if you'd like us to go through any other topics, just let us know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.